Okay, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing, as y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a slick bun tutorial. 4C hair, like very 4C hair. And I've already washed my hair. I put my detangler in it. I use on Jackie's, not on my watch. And I detangled my hair. Yes, this is my hair detangled. And now I'm gonna just, I already moisturized and everything. And now I'm gonna just part it and do what I gotta do. I think I'm gonna do a side, like a lot of deep side, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a side. And I just gonna spray my hair, just a bit, just to get it wet, because you can't work on 4C hair dry. All we're gonna do is, I'm gonna just take it in sections like I said, part it for this style. And I'm just trying to comb out my ends, because if it's bunched up it's gonna look bad. And I use this Eco Styler. Where's the front? Okay, a little bit on it. And for this back part, the initial back part, I'm going to be using the seam elastic a few times. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to wrap it over twice, because I'm still going to have to loose it out when I reach to the next section. It small, and then I'm gonna put some gel on it, like the smaller sections. This is for the swoop, and that's all I'll be doing. Just thought I'd tell you guys that. Yeah, I sprayed it with a little bit of water just in case it wasn't soft enough. And like I said, I wasn't using a lot of product because I am gonna take the style out, but that's all I was doing here, just putting gel in smaller sections and brushing it down, smoothing it out for the swoop. I'm putting more gel than I did on the rest, and paying more attention to actually forming the swoop. Now, as you can see, I'm brushing it down really hard. Getting a hard brush will really help you. My brush was hard, but not as hard as I normally use, because I couldn't find my brush, and I'm just slicking it down and swooping, slicking it down and swooping until it reached to my liking, and I can't see any forehead like I was seeing. some little design things in it and failing miserably. If I wanted it to be bigger, like I said, I just wet it. Or I would put my Don't Shrink on it from Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna tie my hair down and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm back after I didn't tie my hair down and take it off. This is the final results. This is it. The longer you have it tied down, the more flat it would be. If you're wondering about the makeup look, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Follow me on all my social medias at Bahamianunicorn. That's Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. I have a Twitter, but I don't really use it. I guess I'll start to use it. And that is the end of the video. Don't forget, don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. And don't forget to be you, because nobody else can. Bye. See you in the next video.